Ever wondered how someone all of a sudden becomes first to market, selling exclusive products no one has ever seen before? We know the reason for that: the demand analysis done right. Some business owners just know exactly what they're doing when starting a business. They know their potential audience and what they really want. Sounds like magic? In this video, we'll prove its exact opposite and show how you can become one of those lucky entrepreneurs. Ready? Here we go. We live in a world of brands and branded products. Even if we just take the clothing industry, which is all about selling good old shirts and stuff without high-end fashion, the average revenue here is anywhere between $23,000 and $140,000 a year, depending on expenses, marketing efforts, company size, product types, location, and target customers. Just think about Black Fathers Exist or the Vegan Savage stores. If we take the fashion industry into consideration, then the numbers could grow up to $1.36 trillion, the projected market volume by 2025. Now imagine we go beyond clothing. Kitchenware and household products like Tupperware, sport and tourism inventory like that of Outventure. There are millions of brands in thousands of niches, and there are even greater opportunities out there. Sounds cool? Now let's find out where you can get unique products to sell and what it takes to produce them. At Salvia, not only do we build turnkey stores for anyone who wants to start an e-commerce business with no experience, we also design and produce an exclusive product line for your business. So what? It's not a big deal. How do you stand out, you might ask? Actually, we don't simply produce products. There is something special in the process. First, you choose a niche and type of product you'd like us to produce. Then, we thoroughly analyze the market, including Google and Amazon search queries and results, to find out what designs and product people all over the world are searching for but can't find because the product literally doesn't exist yet. Impressive, right? Then we design and produce those products and add them to your store, which can be a website, an Amazon product listing, or even a social media page. And you're up for a great start. Your e-commerce future is now brighter than ever because with a premium product service, you get a whole bunch of things you won't get anywhere else, like professionally conducted market research for your new brand, unique product design to win your customers' hearts, production and logistics. We'll produce and deliver the products to your customers. You can be wherever you are, and we'll always be in the United States working on your products, shipping and delivering your products. You are also guaranteed zero competition and minimum promotion expenses. No order minimums. Premium products is a print on demand, so no items are made until your customer orders them, making it an incredibly economical option. Be the one to sell what people want, but nobody else offers. See no competition and thrive. Do this and more with premium products by Salvia. Not sure all this print-on-demand and marketplace business is a thing? The following examples will prove to you that print-on-demand businesses are indeed thriving. Who knew you could make millions of dollars by selling plain old t-shirts with funny and ridiculous statements? Well, here's an example of a seller who has made over $50 million over the course of their working cycle. Amazing, isn't it? Albeit the store has been active since 2008, there are still some incredible numbers. There are tons of successful cases like this. Amazon is filled with millions of products that people buy every day. The market is so big that there's always space for new brands. You can really let your imagination run free and find the most wild, strange, and beautiful designed products. Here is a seller who managed to make over $1.5 million by selling custom beach towels. Selling regular items that people use constantly is a great idea, and if you can bring something unique to it or some cool design, you've got all the chances for success. And Softery, that's the name of the brand, understood the assignment. Would you like to repeat these brand success? Just specify your interest and you're up for a good start with our premium product service. It lets you create an online store selling custom products such as t-shirts, towels, blankets, phone cases, and literally anything you could think of. There are plenty of entertaining ideas that haven't hit the market yet out there, so you can benefit from them. Don't be afraid to try new things, and we wish you the best of luck on your way to success. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again soon. Bye!